The boy runs more than usual.
Play. Vamos, hijo.
Together. Play together.
Pay attention.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Keep the pressure.
Eyes on him. Eyes on him. Liron, your back. He's running your back, Liron. He's go dive there.
Turn around.
Nice, Skyler. Ooh, beautiful kick. Vamos, hijo. Cubrí un jugador, hijo. Good eye, Landon. Good eye.
No. No.
Eso, eso.
Don't do that. Okay, give the ball to the opponent is easier than do that.
It's a warm-up game, I guess.
No, easier and safer. There was one boy here, Andrea. This is your side of the field, remember that.
Búscala, amiguito. Ayuda, ayuda, búscala.
Andrea, here, Andrea.
Otra vez,
Take it
otra
out
vez.
there.
Don't wait for
Go
it.
down.
Good job. Oh.
Nice play. Vamos, mi vida, agresivo, así que
Andrea,
juegan.
Andrea, your side, Andrea. Your side, remember that. This is your side.
Go, Skyler. First to the ball, Landon. Good job. Cubrí mi vida, cubrí mi vida. Rápido, agresivo.
Drop back, Liron.
Closer, someone closer to receive this pass. Play easy.
Watch that goal, Skyler.
Call 5 yards. Play 1-2. Go, Niall. Drop. Liron, you drop for you back.
Let's him play. Come on, Landon. Vamos, Christian.
That's it, that's it.
Eso, hijo.
Al medio no.
Eso, hijo.
Come on, Liron.
Okay, that's it.
Good pressure, guys. Good pressure, Christian.
In your back. Here, Andrea.
Aquí está tu jugador.
Viene, hijo, viene. Woo! Good try, good
Andrea,
try.
remember, this is your side. You must protect it here. Closer there to receive the ball. Closer to receive the ball.
Eso, hijo, cubrí uno. Se le fue.
Andrea, cerco, to receive la pelota allá. No acá. Y necesita recibir allá.
Guys, you are in one line here. Come on, let's move around.
Eyes on him. This side. Remember, your side is here. Go closer him. Pressure there.
Go, Skyler, go, Skyler.
That's it, pressure. That's it. Great job, guys.
Nice defense. Come on, Landon. Woo! Get wide, hijo. Come on, defense.
Shoot it. Be free. Great job, Andrea.
Hijito, keep the eye up, okay?
Bien, Andrea.
You're doing good. Cubre un jugador, hijo. Cubre un jugador.
Andres.
Cristian, cover one player, hijo. Cristian, aquí tenés solo este.
Front of the box. Yeah, that's it. Nayo, put front of the box.
Tyler, good job.
Andres, you put front of the box. Pay attention, run to front of the box.
Frente de la caja. Ahí, Andrea. Muy bien.
No. Put front of the box. The ball shoot goes down front of the box. Front of the mat.
Keep your position, hijo. It's wide ball. Nobody
Turn around, Liron.
That's it. Very well.
Rápido, allá va Skyler.
In your back.
Aquí.
Hijo, para arriba. Vamos.
Come on, Liron.
Good job, Liron.
Help. Ahí, ayuden.
Ay, bueno. Keep the pressure. Turn around.
Okay, they switch, Andrea.
Andrés, aquí, Andrés.
Aquí, they switch. Follow your side.
Go, Garrett, get it back.
Good
Muy
job.
bien,
Get
Andrés.
it
Muy
back,
bien.
Garrett. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going, buddy.
Good job, Nayo.
Nice job.
Good job.
Muy bien, Andrés.
Go,
Muy
Garrett,
bien.
it's your ball.
Well done.
Vamos, Cristian.
Valeria,
vamos para
this
allá,
is your
ball.
side, right?
Your ball.
Adelante, Cristian.
Eso, Skyler. Eso, Cristian. Muy bien.
Okay. Okay, someone closer to receive the pass from Nile.
Defense,
Keep it up,
Christian.
keep the pressure.
Closer down there, someone to receive the pass.
Garrett.
No long balls. Play closer.
Leon, push back.
No long balls. Closer.
Lléguele, lléguele. Eso.
1-2. Play 1-2.
Eso. Beautiful goal.
Play 1-2. Draw
Beautiful
back.
goal.
Draw back to Nile.
Bien, Cristian.
Ok, vale.
Así se juega, hijo, agresivo, vamos.
Okay, bring it back.
La tocan y le llega. Ya está en juego. Eso, muy bien. Siga, siga. Go, Skyler. It's your ball, Skyler.
Adelante, Cristian. Adelante, hijo.
Turn around,
Cristian,
Leon.
adelante.
That's it. Follow him
Muévete,
here.
muévete, hijo, muévete por todo el campo.
Allá,
Eso,
corre,
eso. Ahí viene, ahí viene.
Let it go.
Yeah, let it go.
Tienes que moverte.
Closer, closer.
Go get tap it quick.
Leon, push back. Leon, push back.
1-2. Play
Go,
1-2.
Christian.
Hold on. They have a substitute.
Come on, Dylan. Get one player, buddy.
Okay,
Over
quickly,
there.
vale.
Get
Don't let us
closer.
Leon,
up.
push back.
You're good.
Push
There
back.
you
Go
go.
all the way
Good
back.
eye, Dylan. Good eye, Dylan.
What?
Go, Skyler. Spread out, Lightning. Spread out. There you go.
Go get it, vale.
Come on, Leon. Come on, Leon.
Come on, vale. Get in there.
Go, Dylan. Go, Dylan. Keep going. Don't give up. Keep going.
Take your shot. Take your shot.
Yes.
Good job. Great job. Well done, well done.
Come on, Garrett. You're doing good. Keep it up. Keep it up.
You ready, Valeria?
Let's get the ball back always when it's not with us.
Pressure. Don't give space.
Go to your side. Let's go, Ale. Let's go. That's your ball.
Surprise
That's
him.
your ball.
Surprise him. Great.
Shy on him.
Win that ball around. Take it around.
That's
Take
yours.
your shot. There it is. Good job.
Nice job, boys.
Ahora tengo una en la bolsa. Hay una que no lleva agua.
Win that ball, Valeria. You got it. Take it. Also back.
Corner kick.
I'll drop back.
What?
She doesn't let me tie the shoes. And every time she ties it.
Dylan, get a player, buddy.
Andrés, arriba un poquito.
Not
Look,
so
we have
far.
one here.
That's
Christian.
it. That's it.
Go, now.
Front of the box. Front of the box. Nice. Yes, in.
Good job, Valeria.
No,
Christian.
was not in.
That's it.
He's in.
Cristian, no tenés que
But the
dejar que
ball
el jugador
must
esté
cross.
hacia el frente, Cristian.
Full ball must cross the line.
Hay que empujar hacia afuera.
But if you have just 1 inch, this is not in. But
Quédate ahí, nena. Quédate.
play together, great.
Take your shot. There it is. Good job. Keep the pressure.
Closer. Put on the line, Andre.
Good try, Landon. Good try.
Okay. Someone closer here to receive the pass. Nayo, receive the pass. Receive the pass there. 1-2. Play 1-2 this ball.
Get it out of there.
Good job, Andres. Good job, Andres.
Great job.
You gotta stop
That's
it,
it.
Vale. You gotta stop it.
Do you see?
Vale, put the
Much
pressure.
safer play like that.
Pressure over here. That's your man right there. Go,
Dayo, Dayo.
run, Andres.
Skyler,
Right
quick,
there.
buddy.
Andres is the center or is Nayo is the center now? They switch? Okay. That's fine.
Allá, Andrés, allá.
Nice. Come on, keep that pressure. Keep that
bien, Andrés,
pressure.
muy bien, Andrés.
Keep that pressure. Nice.
Good try, Skyler. Hijo, agresivo y rápido. Cristian, tenés que moverte rápido, hijo. No jugar mucho con la pelota. Rápido. Skyler, yeah, Skyler, go in here. Help.
Get it out of there.
No. Be sure, Andrea. Be sure on this pass.
Pressure.
Yes, Valeria. Go, Vale. Take.
Good job.
Okay, fast, Andres, fast. Look at the, she's open. Let them set up.
Yeah, she's killing me.
Yeah.
Go, Landon, it's on play.
Shoot it.
Come on, Valeria.
Ah, on
Wait,
post.
you do it?
Ah, again.
Oh.
Great job, Valeria.
Let him move
Very
quick,
good.
guys. Come
Pressure
on,
there,
hurry.
pressure there.
Pressure,
Someone,
pressure.
high pressure.
You're waiting too much.
Nice job.